We certainly like what we've seen so far, but we're very new to Explorer.land. I've just added our first project beginning of this week. Yes, but it looks very cool. And at least to myself, already am thinking about how we can use it maybe also as a communication tool with our customers. Need to talk about it within a bigger team to see how it could work, but we're always looking for ways to make what we're doing more transparent, more visible to everyone who might be interested. And of course, using a platform that has already built a reputation is an advantage. So yeah, in terms of what I've seen so far with ways of how you can add projects there, starting from landscape level to single projects, and how a lot of information can be added from videos to photos to drone imagery, which we're also collecting. Like even before drone seeding, we also do drone imagery. So kind of laying that layer over the existing maps and stuff could certainly prove useful for us.